I am already stuck. I have no idea what to do. Okay, so today I have something a little bit different for you guys. So a little while back, I was using the McFarlane website, as I do from time to time, because there's actually some pretty good deals on there. And I came across this Riddler box puzzle thing, and I was really intrigued by it. So I got it just a few days ago, and my plan is to solve it on camera. And so with that in mind, my setup is a little bit different today. So I have 3 different cameras running at the same time. So obviously you're seeing me right here, and then I've got this guy that will be right in front of my hands, and then I've got another angle to my right over here. And I've used all these angles in the past in different formations, and usually you don't see the other cameras, but for the purpose of this, that's what I'm doing. And then I've got another device here that I'm gonna run a clock on so that you can see that I'm not cheating, because what I wanna do is see if I can solve the puzzle without looking anything up. I probably have edited out like mistakes already, but once I start the timer, then the only thing I'll do is I'll speed up the video in case there are parts that are too long, but you'll still be able to see that it's moving instead of there being any cuts. So that way, there's no way to say that I cheated, hopefully. In any case, here it is. This is, again, created by McFarlane, and the idea is that it's a puzzle box that Batman would be solving, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the box first. It came packaged just like this. So box-wise, it's, you know, it's fine. It's neat looking. We got a bunch of question marks on the sides, on the top, and nothing on the bottom. And on the very front, we see that it says the Riddler puzzle box, and we also see that it's in French as well. I don't expect it to be too hard, I think. I can't imagine it'll be super complex, not like the other like puzzle solver YouTube people that do those really complex things, because this is really a wide release anyway. So with that in mind, I'm gonna start the timer and we'll unbox and see what we get. Okay, here we go. And I didn't mention it before, but upon solving it, you're supposed to be able to get a 1/1 scale batarang. This is super neat looking. Wow. This is not what I was expecting. There was nothing else in the box. Okay. So let's see what we have. Let's see if anything moves. This looks like it'll eventually come out, but doesn't yet. We have these. Okay, everything does press in. And, okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so that's something. So we have our first thing. We can also see that there are hinges here, so it looks like at some point this will be opening up. But let's see if this goes anywhere yet, or if it's something that will end up being used later on. Okay, so that seems to actually work, but I have no idea what that code might be. I do want to check and see if there's anything else there. Nothing else there. And on top, these do move somewhat. It looks like one of these will end up getting removed. And nothing on the bottom. Gotham Bank, or Gotham City Bank and Trust. I am already stuck. I have no idea what to do. The only things are this vault, and then we've got this number pad. Let's see if there are any clues on the dial. Well, I wonder if that's something. So we can see there's 3 Phillips, but 1 flathead thing. I don't know if that's a design thing or if it means anything. So maybe that's important. I managed to solve that by accident. Okay. So I've got stuff here. Cool. Wait, did I? Oh, neat. Okay, so I got my first part of the Batarang, and that's a nice heft. Ooh, that feels good. That's super neat. Pretty good lighting there. And so we've got a couple numbers on this side, nothing on this side. And we have some magnets, it looks like. And then we've got a few clues. Says Wayne Industries from the office of Edward Nygma. Line up the keys to success to claim your prize. Wayne badge and another Wayne badge. So one is for Lucius Fox and the other is for Bruce Wayne. And then on the back we see a completed question mark. Not too sure what that means yet, but it's also got the cuts for a reason. I wonder if these have anything to do with this. Okay, so that one went in. Oh, okay. Guess it's going in now. So something has to happen, right? At this point. Is this gonna come out now? Nope. Nothing there. That's not it yet. Nothing there. Oh. Oh. Okay. That comes out. Oh. Ah ha ha. Oh boy. Okay. So we got our next battering piece. This is ridiculous. I'm really digging this though. Let's see here. So here's what our piece looks like. That's pretty cool. Like that. Now we have a few more clues. Welcome friends to your very own puzzle box made by me, the Riddler. To continue, you'll need to phone some friends, forget the bats, call the birds and the cat, and start with your oldest friend first. Success is just a few clicks away. So, seems like I was supposed to have figured out to open the very top first. I don't know how anybody would have figured that out, but okay. Oh, well, that's helpful. So let's zoom that back out a bit. So we have a dial pad. Oh, great. Okay. So based on our clue, forget the bats, call the birds and a cat, and start with your oldest friend first. Robin. Oh, wait. It's number 4. So I think that's the solution. So Robin, Catwoman, Nightwing, and then this one. So 3, 6, 9, 4. I swear I tried that. 3, 6, 9, 4. See, that started propping open. Let's try it again. 3, 6, 9, 4. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. Question mark. You solved all my riddles. Well done and congrats. Bully for you. You're as smart as the bat. Though the game is now over, this isn't the end. Put everything back and challenge a friend. E.N. And we have our final part, which is the last Nightwing. Nothing else in there. Here we are. And here we are. Woo-hoo-hoo. I did it. That was tough. Yeah, that was super tough. This did absolutely nothing. It was not a clue in any kind of way that makes sense to me. I think it was just there to kind of throw you off. Maybe? I have no idea. Otherwise, I'm fairly confident I did it out of order. But boy, that was really tough. I didn't use my phone. I didn't look up anything. So that's cool. I'm a little bit bummed because the lock wasn't quite like a real lock. And I mean, I get it. This thing was like $100. So there's only so much that they can do. However, this was also really cool. I really like this. I'm a big fan of this. I don't know if I'll ever do more puzzle boxes. There's definitely a lot of appeal to it, but it's also not kind of the point of the channel. The battering is awesome. Great weight to it. And this would hurt real bad to have this thrown at you. So that's cool. Overall, I really enjoyed this. Big fan. Highly recommend this. This can take at least an hour of your time. Makes a really cool display piece for sure. I will link it in the description if you want to buy one yourself. If you like this video or these types of videos, definitely let me know. I'm happy to do more, even though I don't know if there's any more like Batman puzzle boxes. Otherwise, I think you should probably check out some of my action figure videos, and I'll link a Batman one right here for you.